Imagine a life where you have complete control over your finances, a life where you are no longer burdened by money-related stress and limitations. Financial freedom is not a distant dream, it's an achievable reality. Welcome to the world of financial education, where practical tips pave the way to lasting prosperity. In this journey, we will uncover the secrets to unlocking your financial potential, equipping you with the knowledge and strategies necessary to break free from the shackles of debt, create a robust savings plan, and build a prosperous future. Get ready to embark on a transformative adventure, where you'll learn the practical tips and strategies that can turn your financial dreams into tangible achievements. It's time to take charge of your financial destiny and embrace the path to true financial freedom. Here are some practical tips for financial education that can help you work towards achieving financial freedom. Create a budget. Start by listing all your sources of income, such as your salary, freelance work, or rental income. Track your expenses for at least a month to understand where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essential, example, rent, groceries, and discretionary, example, dining out, entertainment. Set a budget by allocating specific amounts for each expense category. Ensure that your total expenses do not exceed your income. Regularly review and update your budget to reflect any changes in your income or expenses. Set financial goals. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals can include building an emergency fund, paying off a specific debt, or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals may involve saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or funding your children's education. Make your goals specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. For example, instead of saving for retirement, specify the amount you aim to save and the timeline for achieving it. Track your expenses. Use tools such as budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed, example, rent, utilities, and variable, example, groceries, entertainment, expenses. Analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. Look for discretionary expenses that you can reduce or eliminate. Be mindful of impulse purchases and track small expenses, as they can add up over time. Save and invest. Make saving a habit by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, if possible. Start an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Explore different investment options based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consider stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. If you're new to investing, consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that provide broad market exposure. Consult with a financial advisor to get personalized investment advice and ensure your investment strategy aligns with your goals. Pay off debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt to avoid excessive interest charges. List all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and personal loans. Develop a debt repayment strategy that suits your financial situation. Consider using the snowball method, paying off small debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Make consistent payments towards your debts each month. If possible, allocate extra funds towards debt repayment to accelerate the process. Negotiate with creditors to lower interest rates or explore debt consolidation options if it makes financial sense. Avoid taking on additional debt while you work on paying off existing debts. Live below your means. Practice frugality and avoid unnecessary expenses. Differentiate between needs and wants, and focus on meeting your needs first. Create a shopping list before going to the store to avoid impulse purchases. Compare prices and look for discounts or coupons to save money. Consider buying used or refurbished items instead of always opting for brand new products. Find affordable ways to enjoy entertainment and leisure activities, such as exploring free local attractions or utilizing discounted tickets and memberships. Prioritize experiences over material possessions to cultivate a more fulfilling and budget-friendly lifestyle. Educate yourself. Read books, articles, and blogs about personal finance to enhance your financial knowledge. Look for reputable sources that provide practical advice and strategies. Listen to podcasts or watch educational videos on personal finance topics to expand your understanding. Attend workshops, seminars, or webinars hosted by financial experts or organizations to gain insights and learn from professionals. Stay informed about current financial news and trends to make informed decisions about your money. Engage in discussions with like-minded individuals through online forums or local community groups to share experiences and learn from others. Diversify income streams. Explore opportunities to generate additional income beyond your primary job. Consider starting a side business or freelancing in your area of expertise. Monetize your hobbies or skills by offering services or creating products that others may be willing to pay for. Invest in income-generating assets such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Develop passive income streams, such as creating and selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or participating in peer-to-peer lending. By diversifying your income sources, you create multiple streams of cash flow, reducing your dependence on a single source and increasing your overall financial stability. Protect your assets. Evaluate your insurance coverage to ensure it adequately protects your assets and mitigates potential risks. Review policies for health insurance, property insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. Understand the terms and conditions of your insurance policies, including coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Update your insurance policies as your circumstances change. For example, if you buy a new car or experience a significant life event, adjust your coverage accordingly. Consider umbrella insurance to provide additional liability protection beyond your existing policies. Regularly review your beneficiaries and ensure they are up to date on your insurance policies and retirement accounts. Seek professional advice. If you encounter complex financial situations or need guidance on specific areas like tax planning, retirement strategies, or estate planning, seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. Research and choose a reputable advisor who aligns with your financial goals and values. Prepare for meetings with your advisor by organizing your financial documents and being ready to discuss your goals and concerns. Be proactive in asking questions and seeking clarification on any financial matters you don't fully understand. Remember that you are ultimately responsible for your financial decisions, so be an active participant in the planning process. In conclusion, financial education is the key to unlocking the door to financial freedom. By implementing the practical tips and strategies discussed, you can take control of your financial destiny and create a life of abundance and security. Remember, it's not about overnight success or magical shortcuts. It's a journey that requires discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to lifelong learning. As you develop a budget, set financial goals, track your expenses, save and invest wisely, and pay off debt, you are building a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. By living below your means, continuously educating yourself, diversifying your income streams, protecting your assets, and seeking professional advice when needed, you are empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions that will pave the way to lasting prosperity. Embrace the opportunities that financial education brings and embark on a path that leads to not only financial freedom but also peace of mind, fulfillment, and the ability to live life on your own terms. The journey starts now.